Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode on your earbuds JLAB EPIC LAB. So basically we have a few options how to enable it. We can use an application or we can use a gesture. And let's get started with using an application. Just open it. And right here we have noise control modes. Click on it. So you just click on be aware, it's transparency mode, and you will enable it. But as I said previously, we can use also a gesture, and to enable it you need press and hold on your left earbud. So you press and hold on it, and firstly you will enable noise cancelling, and after that press and hold again and you will enable transparency mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!